Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an SAT math question. This was question 9 from section 4, the calculator permitted math section, on the SAT that was administered in April of 2017. Right there, you can pause the video, pause it, take a crack at it yourself, and then unpause the video and watch the explanation, see how you did, because we're getting in there. It reads, Kate bought a bus pass that had an initial value of $90. For every bus ride Kate takes, $1.80, the cost of one bus ride, is subtracted from the value of the pass. What percent of the initial value of Kate's bus pass is the cost of one ride? Well, we're dealing with a percent problem, which can fit into the format of part over whole. The whole in a percentage is 100, and we would like to know what percent is the cost of one bus ride. Well, what's our part over whole in this problem? The cost of one ride is $1.80, and the whole pass costs $90. So 1.80 over 90. 1.8 divided by 90. Alright, gotta do it in your head. I kid. We live in an exciting time. Use your calculator. We check our calculator and we find, 2%. Cool, that wasn't so bad. You could also think about this question as asking, what percent of 90 is 1.80? Okay, well you could translate that as what percent being x over 100 of 90 being times 90 is being the equal sign and then 1.80 and solve from there. Either way, you'll get the right answer, 2%. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.